make it to the beach. I apologize for the wind that you most likely will hear. So even though it is really like overcast, we wanted to go to the beach still. We're only going to be here for a couple hours. Obviously, if we get rained out, we'll leave, but at least wanted to come enjoy Savannah, Georgia beach for a little bit. We're at Tibby Island, I believe it's called. So this is my swimsuit of the day. I did bring two, but I decided to wear this one. This is my newer one I got from Old Navy. So it's like one of those like ones that attach right here, and then it's got this cute little cutout on the side. So anyway, just gonna be hanging out. I did take a few pictures with my outfit that I was wearing over top of this, so I will either post those here or do a little like slideshow or something. But obviously I'm gonna take a few with my swimsuit and like my cover up and stuff as well. So anyway, yeah, it's our last day here in Georgia. So this is our plan for the day. We've only got maybe like half of our group here that wanted to come. My boyfriend doesn't like the beach, so he didn't want to come. A couple other people didn't want to come to the beach, which is totally fine. But anyway, let's go check out the water. One of our friends already went in and said that it's warm, so I'm very interested about that. But I did just put sunscreen on, so I am gonna let this like dry and like sink into my skin for a few more minutes, and then for you guys it'll be like right away. We'll get into the water and check it out, as long as I don't drop my phone. And I did not bring my ring, so I did not want to lose it in the ocean. So it is at home safely with my fiance. Catch you in a minute. Yeah, this is really nice. I don't think it's warm at all. I think it's great. I don't think it's like, I mean, it's not super freezing, which is good, but it's nice. I like it. Okay, so I just got ready. Hi, Editor Anna here. So apparently after I dropped my phone, I either did not make another clip or it got deleted. So here are some cute pictures of me as I got ready for dinner, and I'll show you a couple clips of the fancy dinner that we had. Okay, so this was their menu. You could choose one of these categories, and I chose pasture, which was definitely the best. We started with some oysters, which I did not partake of, but were enjoyed. Here is a picture of one of my fancy drinks that I got. This was the quail, which was the second course, and it was actually really good. This was some kind of meatball, whatever it said, and also really good. And then I think this might have been Tony's. I don't remember what it was. This was my dessert, which was amazing. And then this was Tony's dessert, which I finally got a Georgia peach. So we are currently on the plane about to leave Georgia. I will make a final thoughts little clip once we get back to Phoenix and everything. So it's been a good trip so far. Catch you in a second. Alright, so change of events. Our flight got delayed by 4 hours, so we are now in Dallas Fort Worth. But luckily, we have a friend here named Kevin. So he used to work for American, and so we're gonna hang out with him for a couple hours, and hopefully our flight doesn't get delayed again, because this is like, I don't know, the millionth time. So anyway, hopefully we will get back safe and sound. We're just worried about our dog. Sit. Good girl. Wait. Okay. Oh, you're so cute. Come here, little beauty. Oh, hi, baby. Oh, we missed you. I missed you. Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Come here. Look. Mommy and Daddy are getting married. I will be in the little pupper in the wedding, huh? You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Okay. Alright, we officially made it back home after the delay and everything. It's like almost 10 o'clock. Our Uber driver was very interesting. She was like in her own little world, just like pumping the jams and just singing, and which is totally fine. I mean, we talked for a little bit anyway, but yeah, so officially made it home. So just wanted to make, you know, a final little clip. I have started editing the vlog while I was on the plane, so I might break it up into days, because I already have the travel day and the 4th of July, and it's already like 30 minutes. So with the other days, I might break it up, but we'll see. And you obviously will find out depending on when you're watching this. So anyway, if any of my friends, Tony and I are friends that were on our trip, are watching this vlog, I just want to thank you guys so much for making this experience so amazing, keeping the secret, even if you only found out an hour or two beforehand. It was so special being with all of our friends and everything this weekend, and Like, I just could not be happier. I'm like getting teary-eyed. So yeah, this trip was literally amazing. So anyway, another thing that I don't think I mentioned before is that we are actually moving in 2 days. So we got an apartment and we move on Saturday. So we've been packing for the past like couple weeks. So the next vlog that I want to do is a moving vlog. So big things are happening. We got engaged. We're moving into our first place, just the two of us, no roommates or anything. And yeah, I'm just so excited and happy, and I don't know what else to say. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, or vlogs, depending on, again, how I separate it out. And I will see you in my next video or vlog or whatever. So thanks for joining me and seeing the whole experience in shebang and everything. So I am going to go to bed now in my own bed. It's gonna be glorious. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye.